Oh.
And because Kleinfontein is illegal, you can't get a loan from FNB or ABSA.
Oh.
So they got their own Boerebank here, KSK, where they let the old people invest their money, and then they use that money to finance houses on Kleinfontein. Their own attorney, Venter, Adrian Venter, in 2012 wrote them a letter. You can't lend money out on property that's not legal.
Ish.
But despite that, they went on. In 2016, there was a court case. Judge Fourie said you must stop building. Jan Groenewald, the chairman, signed an agreement. They won't build further. They will legalize now. They build more than 80 houses still. So even our court case in 2023-24 says stop building. The court case even says it's a